The engineers who only know traditional design tools may struggle in the future, but engineers who combine mechanical skills with digital technologies will lead the industry. In this video, I'll show you the 6 future skills every mechanical engineer must learn to stay relevant, get better jobs, and build a successful career. Let's begin. Mechanical engineering has always been about solving problems, but today, industries are changing because of artificial intelligence, automation, smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0, and digital transformation. That means the future engineer is not just a designer or analyst. The future engineer is a hybrid engineer. Let's explore the 6 most important future skills. First skill, artificial intelligence basics. AI is transforming mechanical engineering. Today, machines can predict failures, optimize designs, improve manufacturing, and even automate inspections. Let's understand with example. In a factory, AI can monitor machine vibration and predict bearing failure before breakdown. This saves time, maintenance cost, and production loss. As a mechanical engineer, you don't need to become an AI scientist, but you must understand what is AI, what is machine learning, how does AI solve engineering problems. Learning AI basics helps you stay ahead. Second skill, Python programming. Many mechanical engineers fear coding, but Python is simple and powerful. Why learn Python? Because it helps automate repetitive work. Examples: automating CAD tasks, processing Excel design data, running calculations, creating engineering tools, and connecting software. Imagine doing 500 repetitive calculations manually. It takes hours. With Python, just seconds. That's the power of automation. Start with variables, loops, functions, and basic libraries. Even basic Python gives you a huge advantage. Third skill, data analysis. Modern machines generate massive data. Sensors collect temperature, pressure, speed, vibration, energy consumption. But raw data means nothing unless you can analyze it. As an engineer, you should know how to read data, identify trends, detect problems, and improve performance. Example: a machine shows rising vibration. By analyzing the data, you detect imbalance early and prevent failure. Useful tools include Excel, Python, Power BI, MATLAB. Data-driven engineers make smarter decisions. Fourth skill, machine learning concepts. Machine learning is a part of AI. Instead of programming every rule, we train systems using data. Example in mechanical engineering, predictive maintenance. Train a model using historical failure data. The machine predicts future failures. Design optimization. AI suggests the best shape or material. Quality control. Cameras inspect products automatically. You don't need advanced mathematics initially. Start by understanding training data, models, prediction, accuracy. That's enough to begin. Fifth skill, digital twin technology. This is one of the most powerful future technologies. A digital twin is a virtual copy of a real machine. Example: a real turbine runs in a factory. Its digital twin runs on a computer. Sensors send live data. Now engineers can monitor performance, predict failures, simulate changes, and optimize systems. Industries using digital twins: automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, energy plants. Future engineers must understand this technology. Sixth skill, CAD+AI Tools. Traditional CAD is evolving. Now AI can help in automatic design generation, design optimization, error detection, faster modeling. Examples: Autodesk Fusion 360 uses generative design. Siemens NX integrates smart automation. SolidWorks uses AI-assisted features. Instead of drawing manually, engineers define requirements and AI suggests optimized designs. This saves time and improves innovation. So what should you learn? Learn AI basics, Python, data analysis, machine learning, digital twin, and CAD with AI. Don't panic. Start with one skill at a time. The goal is not to become a software engineer. The goal is to become a future-ready mechanical engineer. The future belongs to the hybrid engineer, someone who understands machines and digital technology.